Marine spill? Stay calm. This 660L marine spill kit has everything you need for fast, safe cleanup. Inside, full protective gear coverall, goggles, mask, gloves. Plus absorbent sock, boom, pad, roll and disposal bags. Here's how they work. Absorbent boom floats on water to contain large spills. Absorbent sock wraps around equipment to stop spreading. Absorbent pad soaks up oil fast on surfaces. All three are oil selective, they repel water. After use, seal all waste into disposal bags. Safe for you, safe for the ocean. Get the 660L Marine Spill Kit. Subscribe for more demos. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.